Good morning, buenos dias. Good morning, buenos dias. I'm gonna vlog today, but my camera's dead. But I'll charge it later, so we're starting on the iPhone. And first off, hello, good morning, Maggie, in tattoo form. Good morning, Maggie, in real form, trying to play fetch. But little do you know, there's a tent separating us, Maggie, so I can't grab your stick, but I'll be right out. Hello, tan lines. Hello, dirty legs and beautiful dirty feet. After 4 nights no showering, 2 nights sleeping outside, 1 night sleeping in a local's house, we have woken up in the town of, I don't fucking know what it's called, but it's beautiful. And I am on the Puebla and Oaxaca state line pretty much. In the first few miles today, I will be in Oaxaca, which I'm so excited about. And look at how gorgeous this camp is. You slept here. Maggie slept with me because it's the weekend, and in small towns in Mexico on the weekend, little kids set off fireworks, and Maggie doesn't like it. Let me get your stick. Whee! Freedom, nature, love. It's 6:30 in the morning. We were in the tent for 11 hours, and just come on. If you ask me why I live this lifestyle, it's because of this. It's because of that. It's because of Maggie. It's because it's beautiful and sustainable, and I love it. Let's do it, Maggie. We're gonna have a good day. It looks like something we used to call a Jerusalem cricket at camp. Cool. What do you think, Maggie? Are you a monster or is that thing a monster? Maybe you're both monsters. Sun just peeked up over the mountain. Woohoo! So I slept out just up this road, kind of the residential area. When I get into a small town, I just get off the main road, like the highway that I'm on, and then I go up the residential road until the houses get very slim and non-dense and there's big patches of just nature, and I kind of just sleep right in there. I find a little spot. I find, honestly, a little path that probably some goats or some cows made, and I walk my bike, Maggie and I, on there, and then we find a flat spot to camp. And so that's where we woke up this morning, and now we've gotten into the town, just a 1-minute ride in, and that is the road that I'm taking to Oaxaca. I'm in the state of Puebla right now, and I'm gonna be in the state of Oaxaca in probably 2 or 3 hours. Cannot believe it. Maggie is leading the way this morning. In the morning, she always is running. I never put her in the trailer in the morning. She will get so upset at me. She's got to get her energy out. She probably runs for the first 1 or 2 hours of our ride. And then once we hit some downhill, I put her in the trailer. Maggie y yo, nosotros somos andando en la calle y George Spinoza ve nosotros en la calle y dice, ven aquí, ¿dónde vas? ¿Dónde vienes? So, todos los días en el camino, locales, muy buena, agradable, amable gente como George practica conmigo y yo puedo poner, darle mi página en YouTube, ¿verdad?
Ajá.
¿Cómo se llama mi página?
Plantriotic.
Plantriotic en español, sí. Plantriotic en inglés. Y Plantriotic. It's a lot more beautiful in Spanish when I say it. So ahora él tiene mi página en YouTube y puede ver mis videos. ¿Y qué hace aquí? ¿Vive aquí en este pueblo o otro?
No, aquí. Este es mi negocio. Carpas y lonas espinosa para toda la región.
Es carpas la roca? Time to break the fast this morning. I usually ride for an hour or two until about 10 a.m. until I start eating. Makes my stomach feel so much better. I love this system, intermittent fasting, eating from like 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. I got apples and oranges, about 2 apples and 3 or 4 oranges that I will eat all of or most of right now. Then I'll get to my next town in a couple hours and I can buy more food. These are good apples. Mexico has had terrible apples. Most apples that I've had are mealy and bad. These ones are crunchy and good, and I'm very happy. It's gotten so hot since descending. We're at like 3,000 or 4,000 feet instead of 10,000 feet, and it is burning, Maggie. It's brutal, but oh so beautiful. 2 hours in, gone 7 miles. All uphill. I've climbed 1,000 feet at a 5% grade, and look at that. That means downhill. When you look forward and it's just sky, that means downhill for at least a little bit. And Maggie's in the back. You might be asking, Jackson, why are you pulling Maggie in the trailer when you're going 4.5 miles an hour at a 5% grade? And that's because pinchy fucking cuetes. Cuetes are fireworks, and today's Sunday, and people use so many fireworks here, and Maggie needs to run and get shelter under something when she hears fireworks, which when we're on the road is the trailer, her house. So yeah, she won't run. She'll just sit under my bike and not let me bike till she goes into the trailer when she hears fireworks. That's why I'm pulling her. But now we have downhill, and I get to rest for a second. It's pretty Jurassic Park up here. Pretty awesome. God bless planet Earth. This is my 9th state in Mexico. Baja California North, Baja California South. Then I took the ferry to Sinaloa, Nayarit, Jalisco, Michoacán, Mexico, Puebla, y ahora nosotros estamos en Oaxaca. Bienvenidos a Oaxaca. This is the state that every single person in every single state that I've been in says, make sure you go to Oaxaca. I mean, you could argue it is the most culturally famous and unique and authentic state in all of Mexico. And we are here, Maggie, to experience the Oaxaca lifestyle. Let's do it, and I'm pretty sure we got downhill. Hey, Maggie. Hey, Maggie, look at those turkeys. I shamefully don't know the word for turkey in Spanish. We're at 6,000 freaking 200 feet. Climbed so much. Well, it's really tough riding, but as I say, it is beautiful. And we're going downhill now to a little city where we will grab some more food. When you buy tortillas, they give you one free, hot, right off the machine with some salt. Ooh! First city in Oaxaca, beautiful, but I'm very mad at Mexico right now. It's Sunday, as I said, I keep saying it, the cuetes. Look at Maggie. Usually, she's happy, playful Maggie. We're stopping for some tacos I'm about to make, and now she just hides behind the bike because she needs to be under something safe because of the pinche cuetes. So, and they're just going off every few seconds. Like one might go off any second. Here's what we got. Some of my peanuts covered in spicy chili that I love, onions, oranges, and usually from the night before, I make extra food, but Maggie's been running so much, I gave her extra dinner and breakfast, so I don't have any extra lentils or rice from last night. Usually I do, and I don't have to use the can, but today we get these with manteca, with aceite vegetal, no manteca de cerdo, and my tortillas, and we make some tacos with tahini, and I got some hot sauce too. Muchos chivos, Maggie. In Baja, when we'd see goats or cows or horses, donkeys, Maggie would freak out with her instincts. Now she's like, psh, I've seen these guys. I'm not gonna go waste my energy and chase them. They're so pretty. And that's what everyone in these small towns does. They have goats and they walk them all day to eat just pasture grazed stuff. And then they sell them for meat, and it's called barbacoa. And it's fucked up. These beautiful free animals one day will get packed into a car, and I've seen it, it's terrible, driven to a slaughterhouse, killed probably unethically. Of course unethically, there's no such thing as ethical murder or slaughter, but you know what I mean, probably not even in the most pain-free way because they don't have a lot of resources here, and that's what happens to these beautiful goats. The babies do. Fucking A. But not us, Maggie, we don't eat that stuff. For beautiful evenings, beautiful temperatures, amazing rocks. I mean, look at that cactus. Could you have placed a cactus in a better spot on that cliff's edge? I mean, sometimes I'm like, why even make art when nature exists? But no, making art is fun. I like to tattoo people. Okay, so it is 5:22 p.m. Usually I'd be totally done with my riding day by now, but I'm trying to get to Oaxaca City in 2 days after today's day, and I need to get to this one town which I'm like 5 miles away from in order to get to Oaxaca in 2 more days. And the reason I want to get there so fast is because I need like 10 days off before heading to Guatemala, where I need to get to Guatemala to not get deported out of Mexico because my visa is up on the 19th of November. So that's why I'm still riding out this late, but it's beautiful. But I need 10 days instead of like 6 days or 4 days. Like those few more days of rest and days off are a game changer for my body. I'm pretty wiped right now. My legs are destroyed. I've been in the mountains for over a month from Tepic, honestly, which was like multiple states ago. I've been climbing, and it's been insane, and I need some rest. So that's why I'm trying to get to Oaxaca City to rest and eat lots of vegan food and hang out in parks with Maggie. It's gonna be lovely. So a few more miles, Maggie, and it's a bit downhill. She's been such a champ today. She's been amazing. Just put her in the trailer after doing that final climb, and boom, downhill. 6,300 feet in the mountains of Oaxaca. And at the end of riding days, you get this shadow. It all pays off, my friends. It all pays off. Amazing situation now. I'm here with all my friends. We have been hanging out. Maggie has had so much playtime. I know, they're so nice, Maggie. They're such nice people. These are my friends. And this is one of the most smallest little on the side of the mountain communities with just a few houses. and it's absolutely incredible. They've been giving me these fruits. They're so good. I've been eating them, and I'm cooking up Maggie and I's dinner, and this is very legit, and these people are so nice. Here's our camp for the night. I feel so taken care of. I'm so happy. So, para mi video, ¿qué estoy cocinando?
Arroz y lentejas.
Yeah, I've been telling them all about veganism, and we're cooking up some lentils and rice. We'll be eating that in no time. All the kids helped me put up my tent. It's good vibes here. We're very happy. Gracias, amigos. Para este lugar para dormir. So here's a very famous Mexican recipe I made tonight of rice, lentils, pomegranates that my homies gave me right here. They just gave me a couple pomegranates and cebolla and onion, and I got some hot sauce, and then Maggie just gets the straight up lentils, rice, and oil. I have some veggie oil as well. Usually I would have other vegetables too, but I thought I'd be able to buy some later on in the day, and I couldn't, so this is totally good enough. Very happy. Washing the dishes. We got big metal trash cans of water. This is very common and traditional pretty much everywhere you go in Mexico. That's how they wash stuff outside. Boom, washing dishes. Maggie's over there eating. I'm happy my baby finally gets her food. Late night playtime. This is like Christmas for Maggie. There's like 8 kids throwing sticks at her. She's so happy. Getting wild out here tonight. Maggie, no molesta. Yo, much love. Dream Extreme from the tent. We got Maggie right there on my feet, just laying on my legs. How beautiful is that way to sleep with your pup laying on your body? I'm so happy. And you know, I got to talking to one of the women here in town, and she wants more tattoos, and I'm really tired, so I want to take a day off. I'm gonna probably stay here in this tiny freaking mountain town tomorrow and give a tattoo, or maybe even some tattoos. So I'm very excited, and it's so cool that I have designed my life where I can so spontaneously, just a couple minutes before going to bed, decide to stay somewhere and have a completely different day. And I love that freedom. What a great day. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Thanks for supporting. If you want Maggie and I to continue spreading the vegan message to these tiny places, spreading adventure, dreaming extreme, giving free tattoos to locals, and watching these videos, you can support us through Patreon. Uh-oh. There we go. Yeah, this is gonna be rough. There's a lot of kids running around, and Maggie doesn't like that when she's trying to sleep. But you can support us through Patreon, $1, $2, $3 a month. It goes a long way when you all come together. So thank you so much. Much love, Dream Extreme. I'm about to sleep. I'm very excited when these kids shut up.